When shopping for Lipo chargers, there are a ton of options on the market. You see a lot of numbers and specifications in the description of different products, and you don't know which ones matter. In this video, I want to help share some of the information that is out there on the best Lipo chargers. Lipo chargers come in a variety of sizes and make use of different methods to charge Lipos. Find out what is the best Lipo charger and which one you should get. I'm going over 10 chargers most people are getting and the best chargers for your money a little cheaper too. So, let's get started. Number 1. Haceto Lipo Charger and Lipo Battery Balance Charger. This Haceto Lipo charger is the most power smart charger, which comes with features like Li-ion and Lipo balance charging, fast charging, data storage, battery meter, with multi-charging harness with TAMIYA Mini and JST to be compatible with many charging connectors, and with Octopus multi-charging harness included in the package for easy installation of 6 different connector types. Intelligent automatic voltage control ensures safety during installation and charging, with different charging parameters and multiple features available. This is DC Lipo. Li-ion charger is the perfect choice for your RC hobby. A NiMH battery can reach a higher voltage than that of Li-ion and a faster charge cycle, so it takes less time to recharge to a full level than in Li-ion battery. The number 2, Traxxas 2972 EZ Peak Lipo Dual Charger with ID System. With the dual channel EZ Peak 2 charger, you can charge a NiMH and Lipo battery at the same time with one button Lipo storage charge. A unique ID recognition system recognizes Traxxas ID batteries to automatically program and optimize charger settings. This leads to quick charge times, while minimizing cell imbalance by preventing overcharging or undercharging. The advanced mode is perfect for Traxxas experts who want 100% manual control of charger settings, including Q1 smart charging and reverse polarity protection, depending on application. The EZ Peak charger is the perfect charger to charge all your Traxxas ID batteries, 5S Lipos and 2S Lipos, retaining their configurations throughout the charge cycle. Charge 2 or 3 batteries at once and experience none of the technical limitations of a single battery charger. The innovative ID battery stored charge mode optimizes your batteries automatically, charging them identically in one pass. Next in the number 3, Aorica LiPo Battery Charger Dual RC Lipo Charger. With high power and high performance circuit, Aorica Lipo Battery Charger can provide powerful charging and discharging, with multi-extra functions such as battery meter, internal resistance checking, balance charge, and adjustable digital power. It will be a good assistant for you. This dual Lipo battery charger features a 100 WAC and DC output, high voltage with 2.5A charging current and discharge current up to 800 mA. It also has a balance function, discharge function, continuous monitoring function, and battery capacity percentage indicator. Aorica's LiPo battery charger takes the guesswork out of charging with the ability to intelligently monitor, balance, and charge all kinds of batteries. The charger has dual Lipo battery inputs, so you can charge 2 different batteries simultaneously. This powerful lithium charger adds modern features like a super efficient internal design and auto voltage detection that protects batteries from overcharging. Plus, it'll work out every time, no matter what kind of battery you have. Number 4. Venom Pro Duo Lipo Battery Charger. Need to charge your battery? No problem, this Venom Pro Duo charger will make it easy for you. The Venom Pro Duo charger helps ensure safe charging of lithium-ion and lithium polymer cells. You can easily adjust the charge current in a wide range of 1-15 amps to match your battery's requirement or provide a convenient rate that fits your needs. With the Venom Pro Duo charger, you can now safely and quickly charge all your 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S, or 6S Lipo batteries, including the new generation of powerful battery packs. It is simple to use, so there is no longer any need to go through hours of reading instructions online. With one click of a button, the Venom Pro Duo will automatically balance the cells in all your LiPo batteries, and you'll be ready to race in no time. Number 5. Hobamate D6 Duo Pro Lipo Balance Charger. This Hobamate charger can charge both 4S and 3S batteries. D6 Duo Pro is built with dual independent ports that helps you to charge 2 Lipo batteries simultaneously, auto-detecting Lipo cells, dual independent charging ports, optimized operating software, internal independent lithium battery balancer balancing individual cells during discharging, all in one protection. Inc. Overheating protection, time exceeding protection, capacity protection, input reverse protection, output protection, short circuit protection. One of the most essential tools for RC hobbyists is a multi-port charger. such as the Hobimate D6 Duo Pro. The Hobimate D6 Duo Pro dual-port charger has two independent ports, one positive and one negative, that reach up to 4 amps per port. This allows you to charge and discharge your Lipos at their fullest potential without damaging them. Number 6. SKYRC Max Professional Lipo Battery Balance Charger. This is the latest version of a Max B6 AC charger by SKYRC. This item uses dual power AC DC input to give you the maximum 6A charge current and 50-watt charge power. The Amaxib 6AC V2 balance charger is the fastest, most versatile and safest all-in-one charger on the market. It features dual power AC, DC input and charging LiPo, lithium-ion, NIMH and NICD batteries, and charges in as little as 30 minutes. With larger capacity batteries, it can fully charge faster than other chargers while preserving their balance and safety. Also includes a built-in high-quality battery balancing function, ensuring your battery will charge properly every time. The Amaxib 6AC has been updated with an even slicker design that is guaranteed to impress, in addition to its performance and safety. The EBS 6AC is also very easy to use. Number 7. ISDT 608 AC Lipo Balance Charger Discharger. The ISDT 608 AC Lipo Balance Charger Discharger is designed with a modular, unified system that has been tailored to real-world applications. The quick and simple function menu design reduces operating steps up to 80% and improves user experience constantly. And the intelligent charging technology sends the battery capacity automatically, according to different working scenario or different voltage status of batteries. It can charge all types of lithium-ion batteries safely, quickly and accurately. The ISTEI 608 AC Lipo Balance Charger delivers a safe and secure charging experience, delivering the highest quality charging results. It features an adjustable digital power supply function that adjusts from 0 to 2A to 5A, and has built-in voltage detection functions for exceptional safety. With a USB output port, you can charge a wide range of mobile devices. The charger is designed to fit in most common handbag or suitcase carrying cases. This is perfect for vacations and long-haul flights where you'll need your devices charged up before leaving home. Number 8. HTRC Lipo Charger Balance Fast Charger Discharger. The B6 V2 RC battery charger is an upgrade version of B6 charger. It can support a variety of battery types: Lipo, lithium-ion, LIHV, NIMH, NICD, PB batteries. When the battery is full charged, the battery charger will automatically stop charging. It has multiple modes including charge mode and discharge mode along with balance mode that can adjust voltage and current according to your need. Besides the standard output voltage range from 9V to 18V and current ranges from 3A to 6A, many other different models are available in order to meet your specific need. This is the upgraded version of our popular B6 charger, with a range of new features. It can handle almost all types of batteries, including LiPo and other rechargeable battery types. The charge mode will stop charging when your battery is full, when connected to a power supply. It has multiple modes including discharge mode, balance mode, charge mode, and more. Through the terminal voltage control and battery capacity testing, you can adjust the voltage and current. Lastly, the number 9. Cooler CB6 Multifunctional Balance Charger for Lipo. Cooler C Mini B6 Integrated Balance Charger with Discharger is a tiny and handy tool designed for Lipo, NICD and NIMH batteries. It supports the charging of these battery types with the integrated balancer module. This charger can be used for direct charging of LiPo, NICD and NIMH. The operating software has been optimized to provide higher efficiency while being used under various conditions. The new model can be easily interfaced to balance your batteries across different types of batteries such as NIM and Lipo. Or you can use the standard charger connector to charge it directly. If you are looking for a reliable and convenient way to charge your RC battery, then this is the perfect item for you. The B6 Mini is a powerful charger that will have you charging in no time but remains easy on the wallet as well. With its internal lithium battery balancer and charge when you need it most feature, this charger is well worth its weight in gold. If you're looking for some new and exciting car products to check out, be sure to head over to our channel and take a look at some of the latest reviews. We upload new videos every single day, so there's always something new for you to see. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can get notified when we post a new video.